From this tutorial, you will learn how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bitget accounts. Alright, let's go. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate on the top right corner and you will see this kind of icon. So hit on that and go to Fiat and Spot. Just hit on the Fiat and Spot page. Here you can see there are different kind of options: deposit, withdraw, send, transfer, and transaction history. So we want to withdraw from Binance to Bitget. So click on withdraw. If you are on the withdraw crypto page, the first thing that you want to do is to choose the coin that you would like to transfer. In our case, it's going to be USDT. So all the available coins are going to be here. But if you have plenty of this, so you can use the search bar. So just hit USDT. And then the other thing that you need to do, if it would be the Binance user, so we would go here, but it's another platform, which is Bitget. So we need to enter the address, okay? So in order to enter the address, we need to go to Bitget. And in Bitget, we go to this site where you can see the wallet icon, and you want to hit deposit on Bitget. So just make sure not withdraw but deposit, okay? And once we are on the deposit page for Bitget, we need to choose the coin that we want to deposit, and in our case it's USDT, right? And then we want to choose the network. So in most of the cases, the cheapest one and most useful is the Binance Smart Chain. So you want to hit on that, and then you're going to see the address of your wallet. So you just want to copy the address and go back to Binance and enter the address in this section. Once you did that, then you need to choose the network, and as it was the Binance Smart Chain. And this is very important, that you have to hit the right network, as in other case, the money can be gone and you will not find it out and get it back, okay? So just hit this, and then the new message pops up that you are sure that you use the right network, and hit yes. And then just put the amount of money that you would like to send, and it doesn't matter, depending on your preference. Hit the spot wallet or funding wallet, depending where your money is, and hit withdraw. So once you go into hit that, then you just need to follow all the verification steps, and that's the way how you're going to send the money to Bitget, and it will be available on your Bitget account. Thanks for watching, and in case if you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and hit like to the video. Thank you.